Hello friends, in this video we will be discussing and reviewing a most important book in UPSC preparation if you are preparing for civil services. Okay, so we will be discussing about this particular book. This is 25 years UPSC IAS IPS prelims, like topic wise solved papers actually. So whenever you prepare UPSC, you should be knowing first thing in the syllabus, you will be understanding it clearly, and another thing like you want to be with you is the previous year question papers. Then only you will get an idea what kind of questions you are asking, which area they are asking a lot. For all that thing, this is the best book actually. And this book, there is one more advantage. The second paper CSAT, that also CSAT also preparation also included in this thing, and along with that there is how to write essays and how to attempt mains questions. So it's in total a entire strategy book for prelims is available. That is this particular book. Okay, and let's see what are the important features in this particular book. Okay, it's by Disha Publications. So you'll be getting a strategy and basic idea like what is the minimum age limit, attempt limit, and which topic there are more questions are coming. Okay, so how like preparation tips for CSAT aptitude also there. So you will be first few pages will be more about like syllabus also provided for mains also. So first few more pages about strategy, trend analysis. Trend analysis means which area questions are maximum asking. Okay, then it comes to the ancient history. So other than that, there will be a lot of subject in prelims. We know that history, there will be ancient, medieval, modern, art and culture. So according to category, they will be giving questions actually from 1995 to 2019. So you will be having the questions here. You can practice as well as check the solutions. So there are solutions given, though not so much explanation is there. You know the nowadays whatever the coaching institution giving the explanation is too big, up to a page, you can't even revise it properly, but this one is really good. So crisp and concise is there. So that is, and then medieval history, the questions asked till now. So, and you know UPSC is asking repeatedly some questions. You can also find in that same question will be repeated. Obviously the syllabus is same, so the question for 95 to 25 years they have to repeat it. So if you study this well, you will be getting questions from repeat also. Okay, so this is about the first GS paper one. So even biology and all the science subjects will be there, chemistry and all. Okay, then it comes to the CSAT. 2-in-1 I can say this thing actually. So CSAT, there also they have made categories actually, like what we can say, like arithmetic area, how many questions asked till now. So you can see the questions and you can go and check the answers actually. Like, and answers is like properly answers with shortcuts also. Even elimination methods also discussed in this particular book. So that makes this book a wonderful book, what I can say for prelims preparation. See like permutation and combination. So there are 2 to 3 questions. So every year they will be asking. So and at the end of it you can see then comprehensions. So how many comprehensions asked till now. So that questions also you will be get, and answers also. So this is all about CSAT preparation. Then we have to come and see current affairs is provided there, like general knowledge, and then how to write the mains questions, and what is the strategy for mains essay, how to write that. So that kind of strategy is also provided by Mrunal Patel. So we know that Mrunal Patel is a very famous faculty in Delhi. So all those stuff is very useful for your UPSC preparation. Okay, so this book is a complete package for the both the papers, paper 1 GS1 as well as for the paper 2 CSAT aptitude, as well as there are a lot of strategy also provided in this book. So it's a very nice book you can buy for your UPSC preparation. Okay, and along with this, one more important book I just say. This is for the mains previous year question papers solved, like paper 1 to 4. So both the links I provided in the video description. You can go and check out about that, whatever the latest things. So you can, if you want, you can purchase also this thing. So these two books are a popular book available for like previous year question paper solution. Okay, and this book they adhere the word limit for the mains, 150 words, 250 words. You know how the mains questions are come. Okay, so high quality answers also. So this two. So this book also useful. So this is all about this 25 years UPSC prelims solved question paper, and you can get the link in the video description, and do subscribe to this channel, and thank you so much for watching this video.